Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Intercom to embed in-app messaging UI, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Intercom account. Navigate to the developers section of your Intercom dashboard. Look for the API keys option in the menu. Click on API keys to view your existing keys. If you don't have an API key yet, click on the Create API Key button. Name your API key something identifiable for easy reference. Select the permissions your app will need for message embedding. Once you set the permissions, click on the Create button. Copy the generated API key and keep it secure. Now, head over to your application where you want to integrate in-app messaging. Open the code base of your application in your preferred code editor. Locate the section of your app where you want the Intercom UI to appear. Import the Intercom JavaScript library into your application. You can do this by adding the following script tag to your HTML file. Replace your _app_ID with your actual Intercom app ID. Next, initialize the Intercom instance by using the API key. Make sure to set the correct user details for proper targeting. Once you have the code implemented, save your changes. Now, open your application in a browser to verify the integration. Check if the in-app messaging UI is loading as expected. If you encounter any issues, review your API key permissions. Ensure that your app ID is correctly referenced in the code. Once everything is set up correctly, you are ready to test the in-app messaging functionality. This concludes the step-by-step guide on authorizing with Intercom for in-app messaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.